Hey everyone, I'm excited and proud to announce the release of my new ebook called Mastering Topology and Hard Surface Modeling. After months of work, it's finally ready. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Thomas Colin, a 3D modeler with 13 years of industry experience. In this ebook, I've condensed years of knowledge and gathered all the essential 3D fundamentals that will help you improve quickly and create complex models more easily, just like the ones you see on screen. It is mainly designed for beginners who want to accelerate their learning process, but it also includes more advanced concepts that even seasoned 3D artists might not be familiar with. The ebook is divided in 4 main sections. 1. Key theoretical concepts about topology and useful shortcuts to speed up your workflow. 2. The most common mistakes beginners make and how to fix them. 3. All the practical techniques I rely on my daily work. And 4. A series of reference analysis based on different scenarios. The ebook contains over 100 pages, and you can download a free preview with the first 20 pages to get a clear idea of what to expect before purchasing. It will be updated regularly to stay as complete and relevant as possible. I taught several students for a few months through my mentorship program, and here are some of their testimonials. To celebrate the release of my ebook, enjoy 15% off until the end of 2025. Get your copy now if you want to level up your 3D modeling skills.